Here we have a city math question. Okay, let me go over the question. A rectangular box is 4 inches wide, 6 inches long, and 8 inches deep. If the box is to be filled with cubes, each with a side length of 2 inches, until no space is left inside, how many cubes are needed? Okay, first let me draw the rectangular box and cube with the given dimensions. Here I have drawn the rectangular box and cube, and we have the dimensions 4 inches wide for the rectangular box and 6 inches long and 8 inches deep. And for the cube, we have the side length of 2 inches. Here 2, 2, 2. Okay, the question says that the rectangular box is going to be filled with cubes like this with the dimension of 2 inches side length, and with no spaces left inside the rectangular box. And we have to find how many cubes are needed to fill this rectangular box. So for that, what I have to do is I have to find the volume of this rectangular box, and I have to divide the volume of this rectangular box by the volume of one such cube. So to find the number of cubes needed to fill this rectangular box. Okay, now let's use the formula to find volume of rectangular box. So to get volume of rectangular box, actually it's a rectangular prism. So for that we have to multiply the base area by the height. Height is nothing but the depth. So the base area means the base is a rectangle with the dimensions 6 and 4. So the area of the rectangle 6 times 4 is 24. So we can write so 6 times 4 represents the base area. It has to be multiplied by the height. So 6 times 4 is 24, and when I multiply 24 by 8, I am getting 192. So the volume of the rectangular box is 192 cubic inches or inches cube. Okay, now let's find the volume of this cube with side length of 2 inches. So for that we have to multiply the same thing, the base area times height. The base area is 2 times 2 and the height is 2. Then we get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8 inches cube. Okay, now I have the volume of the rectangular box and I have the volume of the cube. Now what I need to do is to find the number of cubes required. Let me write this stuff over here. Number of cubes required to fill the box. What I have to do is I have to divide the volume of rectangular box by volume of one cube. Let me write. So the volume of the rectangular box is 192 and volume of just one cube is 8. So when I divide, so I am getting 24. So 24 cubes of side length 2 inches required to fill this rectangular box with no space is left inside. So the answer for this question is 24. So we find 24 in option B. So the correct answer choice is option B.